guys, it's Ashlyn. I thank everyone for my 26 likes that I got on Facebook. And people say I have a hidden talent and it's making realistic animal sounds. And people are like, well, just do it. It's so good, you know. I was like, okay, I'll post a video on it, you know. So, well, I got 26 likes and I have more self-confidence, you know, to do it. So, yeah, I'm gonna do my realistic animal sounds. Okay, I'm gonna start with my cat. Okay, and then my dog. And then my smaller dog. And then I'm gonna do my cow. That's my cow. I'll do my zebra. If you guys don't know what a zebra sounds like, go look it up because this is what it sounds like. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. So, go look that up. And then, my dog whimpering. Yeah, you know, when puppies are sad, you know, they go. Yeah, but that's my whimpering. It's not very good. And then, what else? Oh yeah, my horse. People really like this one, and I really like it too. I'll do my horse. Funny, but okay. And so that's my horse. And then my wolf howl. People really like this one. So it goes. And then I think almost my last one is my wolf growl. Okay, this might seem really terrifying, my face expression. Okay, here's my wolf growl or whatever. So yeah, that's my wolf growl. And then my owl. I think this is really cute. Yeah, that's my owl. And then my monkey, it's kind of funny, but okay, I'll just do it. You know. Okay, yeah, so that's all of that I can think of. But if you guys have any requests, just leave a comment down below. And let me know what you think. And tell me which one was your favorite, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because this is kind of terrifying for me to post a video, you know. Okay, but I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. And thank you for our 26 likes.